Seedance 2.5 is currently one of the best AI video models out there, but everywhere you look, it's locked behind a paywall. You've probably seen tons of free Seedance 2.5 videos already, only to find dead links, fake generators, and wasted time. The truth? It's still not officially free anywhere, but I found a real loophole, and by the end of this video, you'll have a free Seedance 2.5 clip on your phone. Stay with me, because skipping even 30 seconds could make you miss the step that makes it work. So let's get into it. Open Google. Search Doula AI. Click the first result. Now, if you land on a page that says it's not available where you are, don't close the tab. A VPN set to China will get you through. Whether that's the right move for you depends on where you live and what the platform allows, so that call is yours to make. Doula AI runs on both Android and iOS, so if you'd rather do this whole thing from your phone, you can. You'll be asked to log in mobile number, Google, Facebook, or Apple all work. I'm going in with Google. Once you're in, the layout is stripped down. On the left, New Chat, AI Creation, and a section for agents. Along the bottom, Fast and Pro Mode, plus tools for video, images, writing, translation, even homework help. None of that matters right now. We're here for exactly one button, Create Video. Tap it, and you'll see the model list, including Driamina's Seedance 2.5, capped at 10-second clips, with a choice of aspect ratios. This is the part you've been waiting for. Select Create Video, choose Dreamina Seedance 2.5, set the length to 10 seconds, pick 16:9, then drop in your prompt. Want to guide it with a reference image? Upload one right there. I went for a realistic AI shot. A message pops up confirming the clip will run on the Dreamina Seedance 2.5 model cost. 4 points, ready in roughly 3 minutes. Now watch what comes out.
Shame, 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 shame. Shame! Shame, shame, shame. Shame, shame.
That's genuine Seedance 2.5 output. For free. And notice something, my point balance just hit 0. Here's why. You get 4 points a day, and Seedance 2.5 is expensive enough that one video burns through all of them. So let's talk about what free actually costs you here, because it always costs something. 1 video per day. That's the ceiling. 10 seconds max. Honestly? For shorts or reels, that's not a deal breaker. A watermark. Easy enough to hide behind your own logo. 1 clip a day sounds thin, but it's the real model, at full quality, for 0 cost. And just saying, if you happen to run more than one account, the math on 1 video a day starts to look a little different. I'll leave that there. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, after testing the Doula AI method, let's try a second option and see if we can use Seedance 2.5 for free on the website you're seeing right now. I'll leave the website's link in the pinned comment and below the video. Once you open the website, click Login. You have several login options, and I'm going to use my Google account. After logging in, you'll see several sections at the top. Go to AI Video. Here, you'll find several Seedance models, including Seedance 2.5, Seedance 2, Mini, 1.5 Pro, and Seedance 1. We're going to select Seedance 2.5. Once you select it, you'll be taken to the model's generation interface. Here, you'll see that Seedance 2.5 supports videos up to 30 seconds. But if you choose a longer duration, the website will ask you to upgrade. So, to keep this completely free, we're going to choose 10 seconds. And this is the important part. 10 seconds is available for free. You'll also see 2 generation options, reference generation and text to video. With reference generation, you can upload an image or video and use it as a reference along with your prompt. But I'm going to choose text to video so we can test generating the video directly from text. Now I'll add my prompt. And there's something important you need to know here. Seedance 2, and especially Seedance 2.5, have pretty strict prompt restrictions. If there's even one problem with your prompt, or it contains a restricted word, the generation can fail completely, and the video won't be created. So make sure your prompt is written correctly and doesn't contain anything that could be restricted. For the resolution, you'll see that it's fixed at 480p. Personally, I don't think that's a major problem, because you can always use an external tool later to upscale the video and improve its resolution. For the aspect ratio, I'm going with 16:9. Then we click Generate. Now, how long does the video take? it takes roughly the same amount of time as regular Seedance 2. And honestly, I don't think the waiting time is too long considering the result you get, especially with the quality of Seedance 2.5. And as you can see, the video is finished. It took roughly 3 minutes to generate. This confirms that we're using the free version, not the pro or paid version. The video is also 10 seconds long, exactly as we selected. Let's play it and see the result.
It is what it is.
And as you just saw, the result is really impressive with Seedance 2.5. You'll notice the model's capabilities even more when you test it with action scenes, fast movement, or scenes with multiple moving elements. If you want to download the video, it's very simple. You can click the 3 dots and select Download, or you can use the download icon directly. One last thing. Free access like this can vanish without notice. If something looks different by the time you watch this, that's just how these things go. Always check the platform's current terms before you use it. And that's the full method Real Seedance 2.5, no cost, starting today. If this saved you the digging, subscribe, hit the bell, and drop a comment below. I'll answer as many as I can. See you in the next one.